Okay, before we get started, subscribe to my channel, hit the like, turn on the notification, and share this video. You can also leave comments. But I'm going to show you what happens when you hit 20,000 subscribers. People think this YouTube stuff is easy, but it's not. The hardest thing is getting that first 1,000 subscribers and that 4,000 watch hours. You know, that's the only time you can become monetized, show advertisement. And the only way you can do that, you got to get your 1,000 subscribers and you have to get 4,000 watch hours. And the 4,000 watch hours have to be within the 12-month period. So we're going to walk you through this, and I'm going to show you something on what happens. But the biggest thing happens is when you hit 10,000 subscribers. That's where you get a lot of your benefits from. So I'm gonna walk you through this. I'm gonna show you my videos here. And I like the 10,000 subscribers, and I'm gonna show you why. And this is in the studio view. I know a lot of people don't like this type of view. I like the classic, but the studio view is the way to go right now. So let me tell you about 10,000 subscribers. I know I said 20,000, but it doesn't matter. If you get 10,000, what's so beneficial about the 10,000 is the merch account, a merchandise account. So I'm going to show you right here. We're going to go to monetization right here. And you get a lot of benefits as this merchandise account. This is what I really like. I'm going to show you right here. If you click on it, you can create t-shirts and cups and all that type of stuff. And on your videos, they're going to play at the bottom. And I'm going to open up this Teespring account to show you. As you can see, my Teespring account, I click on it, and I'm going to show you my listings. And I got these shirts, and I got a lot of other things in there. So I just created a few of these. But you can create t-shirts, and I'm not going to walk you through on how to do it. It's pretty simple. I'm pretty sure it's 1,000 videos on how to do it. But like this one I created today, I really like it. It says, God is enough. And I ordered one for myself, and it'll be in about 5 or 6 days, and I'll make a video and show you what it looks like on me. But this is what it looks like. And you can order different types of shirts. You see the pricing, and it's all marked up, and you get a, say something costs $20, you make about $7, $8 off of it. So it's not bad. But I'm gonna show you what's so beautiful about this is that when I got over 800 videos. So if I go to my video, and I'm gonna pick one of these videos and I'm gonna play it. I'm gonna just pick one out the blue. Let's play this right here. We're gonna click on this one. And I'm gonna hit play. And let me show you what happens on every video. Computer running a little slow today.
I purchased a Cobalt.
After 10 seconds, it's going to be an
80-volt
ad that's
harness.
going to pop up.
It worked so great. I went on
And you
and
can put
purchased
ads if the video is 10 minutes or
It
longer.
comes with this
You see this
charger.
ad right here
It
pops
comes
up.
with an 80-volt
And you can,
battery.
whoever's watching can click off, but a few more ads is going to pop
2.0
up. That's
amps, and
advertising.
it's interchangeable.
But I'm going to pause this and I'm going to show you what the merchandise account is. So if under each video, you see this. This is that the Teespring account. So you can arrange it however you want. You can have maybe 12 or how many. You can only put, if you want just one on a video, you can do that. And see, if I click on it and purchase, it takes you to a Teespring account. And whoever go there can purchase these merchandise, and they can pick their size and what quantity. You add it to cart, and you can go on. And I've sold a few shirts like that. But we're going to exit out of this, and we're going to exit here. Let's go back to my YouTube. So I'm going to go back to my videos. I'm going to show you something here. Say for instance, we're going to go right here to monetization. And I talked about the merchandise account. I'm going to click right here. Now on the merchandise account, you can organize this how you want. You can click on it and you can pick display 12 items over here, and it's going to play on every one of your videos. So I can arrange them any kind of way I want, or I can delete them, move them. You just click and drag. That's all you have to do. And on every video you make, it doesn't matter. It could be a 10-second video or a minute video, 10-minute video, hour. These are going to show and advertise at the bottom of each video. So we're going to cancel that. Let's go and pick an individual video. I'm going to show you something here. We're going to pick this video here. I'm going to just click on it. Okay, it's in the edit mode. So this individual video, I can click on monetization over here to the left. And then what I can do, I can go up here to the top. And this right here is if you want to run different types of ads, you can pick and choose. If you want to make money, the best thing to do is just check them all. But I'm going to go to this merchandise account. So I can organize this particular video like I want to. You notice I don't have nothing drug over here. That means it's going to play these 12 videos. Say for instance, I just want to put one t-shirt over here. So this particular video is just going to display this t-shirt. So the other ones won't come up. So it takes about maybe a day or so to once you save this and hit done. So a couple of days pass by, then you notice that when you watch this particular video, it's only going to display this. It's a never question who God removes from your life. So it's going to just show this t-shirt at the bottom. But if I remove this, it's going to show all 12. It's going to go back to the default and it's going to show all 12 videos. So you can take, if you're doing a video over maybe traveling to Mexico and you create a shirt, you can put just that shirt on that video so it won't display all the rest of them. So that particular video will just show that shirt. So this is pretty neat. You can make some money off of that. So that's the benefit. Just hit cancel. That's the benefit of hitting 10,000, 20,000, just like 10,000. You have the same benefits. It's when you get over 100,000. That's when you get more benefits out of YouTube. This another thing you get the benefits of copyright. Some people do copy your videos. I've had about 40 or 50 of my videos just copied directly from my page to somebody else's page. And YouTube will send you a message in the copyright letting you know that your video has been copied. 100% of it's been copied, or 90, and you can dispute it. You can request that they remove it. You can request that they give this individual or whoever stole your video a strike. As you can see, I had a few of them. You notice that they have been removed from the other person's channel. But yes, that's the good thing about having 10,000 plus subscribers. You get a lot of benefits. So I'm going to go to the monetization again. It was something here I wanted to show you guys. Let me just hit this one. Let me see what it say. Exclusive creator perks, dedicated support. So you can get a dedicated support system right here. I know it's hard to get in touch with someone, and you can just click on this and you can send emails. If you get it, think 25,000 subscribers, you can even do a chat live with a YouTube person. And so the more subscribers you get, the more benefits you get. And when you hit 30,000 subscribers, that when you can get people to pay to watch your channel. So you can have a paid channel once you hit 30,000. So we're going to look at these benefits right here. Benefits program. phone went ringing on me. Benefits program. And this tells you the different levels. You got your graphite. Let's click on that. That's from creators from 1 to 1,000 subs, your graphite. Then you have this one, Opal. It's from 1,000 to 10,000 subs. Then bronze. There you go. I got the bronze from 10 to 100,000. So like I said, once you hit 10,000, between 10,000 and 100,000, get the same benefits. So once you hit the 10,000, that's where the benefits come in. I like the merchandise account. That's really good for me. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on your notifications, and share this video. Also leave comments. Thanks for watching welding and stuff.